I'd need if it granted it to me. The season of the darkening time, that some company might cheer me up. For against the cold I'd need clothes, and against wrong that I'm taking mercy, and against too much silence singing, and against the changing of the barons, frank lords and courteous and good. And I'd lie warmer in the mornings if my need felt itself inside the inn that once forced outside, it never left. For it's a pain to me to welcome many, and whoever could endure it, it would be a foolish asking. And yet if giving didn't exist, no one would know who was worthy. And a wealthy neighbor would please me more than a poor one. Since I seek all my need, not one will be so faithful to me. Often the refusal annoys him, and whoever rubs too much on another's goods, some dinner would be lacking for him. And since he fixes himself without invitation, it seems to him that bread and house fail him. He'd be more nobly satisfied, so it seems to me, still over his own coat, if another's provision failed him. With his own, since it's such beautiful service. And whoever makes himself courtly from another's goods, since from his own he'll be excessive, it doesn't seem to me he brings reason that the reward returns to him. The force of another's face doesn't have me if I forget or neglect myself to do what a man thanks me for. And yet if beautiful welcomes don't give worth except to the one who receives them, since each one is more precious as he is, he should want a beautiful rumor to go out from him before it goes from you. If a man had, but no one welcomes me, if I prod and handle and stretch the young ones and the old ones, the polishing would seem more beautiful. But whoever makes a face as if it weighs on him, teaching and chastisement, and you work for another to be worthy, you can break 1,000 sticks on him. By sacred oath, if a man pledged me, I wouldn't believe it. Before I fear I'll lose my chastisement, that your good sense settled. Since the openness chills him too much, he'd never gather boldness until he puts his intention into his affairs. For while he's a boy and a youth, company and worth and gifts fall to him. From which you never recover, or great calamity in a flat field such that it kills him in the furthest tooth, or deeds from which mockery follows, or worse, I want it to happen to him whom joy doesn't please nor enjoyment. For many annoying thoughts drive good songs far away. Right away, Lord, sober thoughts, rich thought, and joy and good hope, may they grow always in my Lord and in you. For I'm still complaining about the avarice, for the unchosen defective ones among them were contrary to me.